We're full-time RVers, but a couple months out of the year, we RV on our houseboat on Lake Lanier in Georgia. So that turns us into watts on water. And while we're at the houseboat, we have to contend with the weather. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. What's going on right now? Everything is just getting messed up big time. There goes the awnings on the pontoon, tearing into our covers on the front of the boat. My God, it must be 80 miles an hour out here. Oh, the dock is breaking. Oh my gosh, the dock is breaking. Their roof is coming off behind us, and looks like they just broke loose because they're way far away from us now and they shouldn't be. And the boat down here at the end should be level with us, so we're bending. That dock just broke off behind us. M-Dock, Aqualand. Oh my God, please stop. Billy's boat just broke loose. Together, please stay together. Please stay together. Oh my gosh, I can't even walk. Oh. Oh my God. Please stay together. Oh shoot. Please stay together. Oh, I don't know what that was, but it didn't sound good. Oh my God. Please stop, please stop. Oh, hold together, hold together. Hold together, hold together. Hold together. Oh my God, the waves will not stop. Oh, geez, there's Billy's boat. Oh crap, there's another one loose. Billy's gonna hit us. Can't do anything about it. Diamond Girl broke loose. Oh, it's going to swing around and hit us from the back. Oh crap. Please stop, please stop. Dave's not here. Now we got hail. That's good size hail too. Okay, Billy, floating that way. Diamond Girl's floating that way. Dock pieces in the water. Oh my God, I thought yesterday was bad. Look at the docks over here. Or up. Ceiling's all blown off. Roof's blown off. He just got that boat. Look at the hail. The hail's getting harder. So it's going to go over and hit those boats over there. Oh, it's like a second wave of wind coming. Won't give it up. Oh no, poor Billy. Oh boy. The roof's torn off. Her jet ski's gone. Their slide broke off. Now she's slamming into the boats behind us. What we can do. See, Wes's boat's going down that way. Billy's boat's coming back towards us again. Looks like she's gonna miss us. But she'll hit the docks on the ends here, but there's these are shorter boats. So if she hits those docks, it'll be a blessing. Boy, she's moving too. Oh boy. Oh boy, she's going to slam, then she's going to spin. M-Dock not looking very good on this end. Hasn't been confirmed, but just told that we had a tornado that just came through here. I'm gonna go look upstairs, see if I got a canvas roof up here or not. Huh. Holy crap, that sofa is extremely heavy. Oh boy. Still got a canvas. Guess we got another one coming. We undid the pontoon. Had to go pick up Dave from shore because our dock can't get in or off of it. Now there's crap floating everywhere out here. This dock over here, those two docks right there are very close. So one of those broke. And down here, oh, got an electrical box hanging open. That's not good. Oh, Jesus. Wes is over here up against M-Dock. We're using our pontoon boat as a taxi. And M-Dock is a disaster. But they can still make it to shore barely. They're going to have a busy day. So was it really a tornado? Yeah. That's what I thought. There's Dixie.
She looks like she's still there.
There's Leroy. Everybody's still on their wooden blocks and
yeah.
Cool.
Still there.
Everything looks good.
Yeah.
Leroy's still got his wheel covers on. That's good.
Got his boots on.
You know, they probably got good coverage for all the trees right around here.
I know.
Because
Trees you got to worry about too.
Well, yeah.
Them coming down.
But as far as the wind goes, that's the direction it was coming from.
Yeah.
So those trees really help block the wind.
Yeah, the bushes and them small trees help block the wind.
Yep, still up on the blocks. Yay. Okay. Okay, now I can sleep tonight. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.